If you want to automatically delete Gmail messages from a specific sender or with certain keywords, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. This is a great way to clean up your inbox, reduce clutter, and make sure unwanted emails never pile up again. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight into your Gmail inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. From the settings menu, click See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings page where you can control all kinds of inbox rules and filters. Now, along the top, click the tab that says Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is the section where Gmail lets you create rules for handling incoming messages automatically. Next, click Create a New Filter. A small window will appear, and this is where you define exactly which emails you want Gmail to catch. You can set rules based on a sender's email address, a word in the subject line, keywords in the message, or even other criteria depending on what you want to filter out. For example, if you want emails from one specific address to be deleted automatically, type that sender email into the From field. If you want to target messages with a certain phrase, you can enter those keywords instead. Once you've entered your filter criteria, click Create Filter. Gmail will now ask what you want to do with messages that match your rule. Here, select Delete It. This tells Gmail to automatically send matching emails straight to the trash instead of leaving them in your inbox. After selecting Delete It, click Create Filter again to save everything. From this point on, any email that matches your filter rules will be deleted automatically as soon as it arrives. That means no more manually sorting through the same unwanted messages over and over again. If you ever need to change or remove the rule later, you can come back to the Filters and Blocked Addresses section and edit or delete it anytime. So now you know how to automatically delete Gmail messages using a simple filter. It's fast, it's easy, and it can save you a lot of inbox stress. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.